it's Jenny. Welcome back. A lot of you have watched David's video on refrigerator bread. I'm not going to go into detail on that and how to mix it up, but we figured out that you can make pizza dough the same way. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. And if you'll come on over here, I'll show you what you'll need. In this measuring cup, we have some salt, sugar, and yeast. In this one, we have our flour. And then we have our water. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put all the ingredients inside of a pitcher. Just like that. And what we're going to do is just stir this up really good. Okay, the dough is actually going to be pretty loose, and you want to do this a couple of hours before you're ready to make your pizza. And we're almost to the consistency that we want. We just want to make sure that all of that flour on the bottom is mixed in good. Okay, so after we get our mixture all mixed up and you can see the consistency of it, we're going to take our top, put the top on, and let it sit on the counter for a couple of hours. I've preheated my oven to 400, and our dough has been sitting out now for about 2 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in our grease skillet. William's having fun back there. Okay, we're just going to bake this for about 10 or 15 minutes, and then we'll come back. So here's our crust, and you can see it's really pretty and nice and thick. We cooked ours in a skillet, so it's going to be thicker than normal. If you put it in a skillet, obviously it'd spread out and be a lot thinner, but we like ours thicker like this. So we're just going to start, and I'm going to show you some toppings that we're going to put on our pizza. First, we're going to start with our sauce. Just spread it out. David's favorite part. Actually, let's put a little bit more sauce on there. Alright. Now we're going to put our pepperoni on. Alright, and the next thing we're going to do, we eat a lot of frozen veggies, so we're going to put some of our vegetables on top of here. And this is a really good recipe. I make this a lot of times with William, and I'll let him help with with the pepperonis, and we'll count the pepperonis, and he loves to be a part of that. So it's a really good pizza is always a good recipe to do with your kids. And then we're going to add our cheese. And David's already given me the look like to put a lot of cheese on there. I would typically make this a little healthier, but I'm trying to please the boss tonight.
She said the boss.
You think you're the boss. I'm just trying to give you a big head. Alright. Do I need to add more? Or does that...
I think it's good.
Okay. Alright, so we're going to put that in the oven. And we'll see what it looks like when it comes out. Here's the finished product, and you can see that it looks delicious. And you can notice how thick the crust is. And it's nice and cheesy. That's about it. Thanks for watching.